The cedi has for the past few months performed badly against the dollar. However, in the last few weeks, the dollar has dropped against the cedi and is currently selling at 8 Ghana cedis on the interbank market. The chairman, Parliamentary Select Committee on Trade, Industry and Tourism, Mr. Carlos Ahinkra, said to arrest the situation and stabilize it, restrictions must be put in place.
We have recently seen the scare that came with this dollar shortage and the speed with which our dollar fell or our cedi fell against the dollar. It all boils down to one point, that we are not exporting enough to accrue forex that will support this economy in terms of the forex that the economy demands. Many or majority of the exports that we send out, the proceeds do not come back. Why? Because we have an investment code which allows for 100% retention of profit. So investors like the gold mines, investors like the crude oil fields, investors like mobile telephony and so on, are not obliged to, as it were, leave their monies here in Ghana. And so you can imagine that an economy that relies on about $2 billion of borrowing from the money market, if we are refused this inflow, what will happen to our economy? And that's exactly why we saw what happened the last time. What we needed was restrictions. And I'm sure in putting in place these restrictions or set restrictions, everybody is seeing some kind of answers, some kind of responses. This is what a country has to do in times of desperate measures.
Trade relations between Ghana and the US have over the years increased. For the past 30 years, the USA has seen Ghana as a trade beacon of freedom. Mr. Ahinkra said in 2019, trade inflows went up because of the year of return, and FDI from 2019 till date hovers around 1.6 billion to 2 billion on an annual rate basis. He said it is time to be innovative in the products sent to the USA.
When you are going to the US in February, amongst the people or amongst the products that you are going to showcase, take some creativity there. Think about robotics. Think about something in the medical field. Think about something that would sell Ghana over and above the usual Inkuto and, of course, the Alata seminars that we always showcase. It's high time that we left beyond these items and show the world that we could even do better.
Mr. Carlos Ahinkra said the upcoming Black History Festival is the best thing that would happen to the country in terms of opening up Ghana's market to the US investors.
We had things like Afrochella, which has spoken very well as far as Ghana-US relations is concerned. We had the year of return, which if BHF should also come on board, encouraging such potential ideas is what we need to do to, as it were, support Ghana in terms of, our forex reserves, and also support our youth or our young ones to develop their innovative and creative ideology.
He entreated local entrepreneurs to invest in Ghana instead of taking their monies out of the country. He said the current credit crunch can only be curtailed if they show interest. Mavis Champon, GBC News, Accra.